Bonjour YouTube, épisode 3 de, j'allais dire de Fable, mais pas du tout, de The Wolf Among Us. Je me renseignais juste avant sur les personnages des jeux, parce que c'est quand même intéressant. Voilà, rien de forcément fou. Oh putain, il y a des choses écrites, putain, j'avais pas vu qu'il y avait un truc carrément... Ah ouais, non mais... Il est bien le bestiaire là, de tous les personnages là. L'encyclopédie de tous les joueurs, c'est sympa, hein, mais bon, je croyais que c'était juste un petit texte. J'ai été en mode, on va commencer l'épisode avec une petite lecture sympa et tout. Il y a peut-être un peu trop de trucs à lire. Il y a peut-être un peu trop de trucs à lire. Euh... Le gars lui-même déguisé magiquement pour avoir le problème est que le crapaud ne sent pas très concerné. Après, je pense que pour être un gros tryharder, faut connaître toutes les... faut connaître tous les aspects des personnages. Par contre, c'est fou que ça parle de Monsieur Crapaud, alors je l'ai jamais vu dans le livre. Ah, tous les autres personnages, je les connais à peu près. Mais là... Les communs, non fables, dérivés de l'ordinaire, commun est une expression fourre-tout que les fables utilisent pour désigner les habitants non magiques de leur foyer adoptif. Les sorts de défense placés autour des bâtiments de Fableville et de la ferme... J'ai un truc dans les dents, excusez-moi. Gardent leur esprit distrait et fable... est faible à l'intérieur, j'arrive pas à parler, est faible à l'intérieur de certaines limites. Cependant, si quelque chose devait piquer la curiosité ou encourager un examen minutieux de la part d'un large groupe de communs, ces charmes de protection magique surchargeraient et échoueraient. En tant que shérif de famille, une des fonctions premières de vie est de s'assurer que la communauté de Fableville fasse profil bas. Bon, dans l'or, Bigby, le shérif Bigby, il a trop de choses à faire, frère. Hein. Gros, la liste des tâches à faire, frère. La liste de mes tâches à faire par jour. Celle de Bigby à faire par jour. Bon, bah. Le gars sous surménage. Oh, Fuyusuke. Fuyusuke TV, bonsoir. Non, c'est Fuyusuke V2, putain. C'est un autre compte, Fuyusuke TV. T'imagines, tu passes. Sérieux, imaginez, vous ressemblez à ça IRL. Et grâce à un petit. Je sais même pas à quoi ça ressemble un trompe-œil. Bah, c'est juste un sort, quoi. Grâce à un sort, tu ressembles à ça, frère. Putain, je peux l'avoir aussi, ce sort, ou. Ou que les fables. Ou que les fables. Moi aussi, hein. Moi aussi, j'aimerais. Moi, je ressemble à cet ogre, là. Prince Lawrence. Les Tweedle. Gorilles alloués. Ah, c'est des gorilles de base. C'est pour ça. C'est deux gros gorilles. Mais tu sais, il me faisait penser à des porcs, mais en soi, des gorilles, la gueule de gorille, là, ça, je comprends mieux. Et Barbe Bleue est parvenu à s'échapper des royaumes avec toutes ses richesses intactes et continue à être un des plus riches fables de New York. Le gouvernement de Faveillier dépend de ses généreuses contributions et utilise souvent cette influence pour son propre bénéfice. En tant qu'ancien tueur en série, il proclame que les jours où il décapitait ses épouses sont terminés. Mais même s'il était capable de stopper les violentes habitudes qu'il avait au royaume, cela ne l'a pas empêché de faire une petite visite occasionnelle en bas de Crooked Lane. Intéressant. Intéressant. Putain, ils ont pas traduit le previous menu. On est où? Est-ce que ça a chargé là où j'étais? Est-ce que ça suit même? Je crois qu'on avait bientôt fini l'épisode 1. J'espère que ça a chargé là où j'étais parce que sinon je me fous en l'air. Ah, je connais pas cette scène.
Every time I think I'm getting a handle on what's going on, things just get more complicated. It feels like we're always a step behind.
Ah, ça c'est ma vie ça.
Woodsman is the only lead we've got, and he was one of the last people to see Faith alive. Getting some answers out of him will start to clear things up.
I hope you're right. Bigby, be honest with me. Who do you think? did this. I know it's still early, but I just feel a step behind. It's an uncomfortable feeling.
Barbe
We
bleue.
haven't talked to him yet, but
Tell me. I don't think anything would surprise me at this point.
I feel like Bluebeard has something to do with this.
Barbe
I have
bleue est
some
un connard.
suspicion.
I don't know how or why just yet, but if you're asking, this is his M.O. There's still a lot of questions. We find the woodsman, figure out what he knows, and go from there.
Makes
Après, c'est vrai
sense.
que Barbe bleue,
That's probably the best approach.
il avait aucun rapport là avec les livres qu'on a vus et toutes les infos, donc pas sûr. Hein. J'ai dit un truc au hasard hein, parce que je savais pas quoi répondre. Qui vous pensez que a tué Face? Fuyusuke V2. Merci pour votre aide. Bon boulot, pas aussi mauvais que je pensais. Bon.
Thanks
I
for
wish
you.
there was.
Ah, ça, c'est
Sorry.
la discussion. Quelqu'un qui se rencontre dans la rue. Vous d'abord, vous
Go
d'abord.
ahead. I didn't mean to cut you off.
No, it's. It's nothing. I just. Seeing all this today, there are fables that are struggling worse than I'd imagined. We pay so much attention to the residents of the
Ouais.
woodlands. You forget there's a whole community out there to serve. To have to turn to prostitution.
Mais on sait même pas si elle
wish
fait de la
there was more we
prostitution.
could do. This isn't how I thought it would be. But Crane runs things his own way.
Crane is the one to blame here, not you.
Obviously, you don't know what I do all day. Right now, I'm the gatekeeper, making sure none of these disenfranchised folks are, as he puts it, wasting his time. I'm more to blame than anyone.
You'll fix it.
I don't know. It's just a broken system. The fables who walk in through the back door like Bluebeard, we have all the time in the world for them. You try and come in through the front door, through the proper channels, asking for anything, needing help. Well, I turn you away.
C'est pas
Now
faux,
things
c'est pas
are
faux.
worse
Hein.
off than they've ever been.
Well, that's not true.
Right. We've had it worse, but not by much.
Je vois que ma grosse.
This isn't for me. I thought public service was pure. The way to help.
You'll figure it out. You're better than I am with this political stuff.
Il y a ma grosse tête
That's
qui
nothing much.
gêne un peu toute la
I
scène. Hein.
trust you to make the right decision.
Je suis désolé, hein. Je suis en train de cacher Blanche. Hein. Bah après, le plan aide pas aussi. Pourquoi on met pas Blanche au milieu là? On est où là? Ils sont cons ces développeurs. Excusez-moi. C'est my bad.
Maybe
My bad.
you should handle this one.
C'est Jack? C'est Jack.
Maybe I should.
Bigby. Just be careful, please.
On dirait le live de Gotaga avec ma vape là. Bon, je suis en mode.
Same goes for you.
I will.
Je suis en mode gros charreau là. On a raté de notre amour IRL, autant le réussir dans le jeu. Le Trip Trap Bar, le Bronx. Putain, je m'enchaînerais tellement une pinte là dans ce bar là. Sous 3 heures du mat. Eh bah quand on parlait de Logan.
What do you want, Sheriff?
I'm looking for the woodsman.
Well, he's not here. So I guess you can go now.
Look, I'm not even gonna ask where he is now, okay? I just want to know the last time he was here. That's all.
Who?
I'm being nice, so try again.
He hasn't been here for a few weeks.
Bon, ce
No,
regard veut dire beaucoup de
Nick.
choses.
I don't know. But yeah, he hasn't been here in a while, if he's been here at all, which... I don't know.
Don't let him tell you what to do. You're your own woman.
Well, this is me talking, Bigby. Fuck off.
Oh. Calme. Calme. Hey. Soyons gentils. Soyons gentils. Il y a quand même le bûcheron là, la bûche là derrière toi là. Tu es en train de te foutre de ma gueule. You are talking to me? You fuck my wife. You fuck my wife? Qu'est-ce que je voulais dire? Je sais plus vraiment, donc on va continuer la scène. Hein. On va continuer la chaîne. Il y a beaucoup d'éléments à inspecter là. Il y a beaucoup d'éléments à inspecter. Oh putain, je suis pas en clavier américain. Fuck off. Putain, je sprint là. Putain, sous fléchette, my dream. Bon, pas les fléchettes à l'ancienne, mais les fléchettes, vous savez, les fléchettes de barre là. Avec le score affiché. Il n'y a pas plus classique malheureusement. Qu'est-ce que je fais de ces items par contre? En vrai de vrai. Bon, il n'y a pas l'air de... On peut pas aller à droite. Bon, on va faire de gauche à droite. On va commencer par ici. Un tableau noir.
You guys playing right now?
Nah.
GRHWD. Bah le problème c'est que c'est en anglais, donc je connais pas les... Effacer? Bah non, je vais pas effacer. Je connais pas les... C'est en anglais là. Je connais pas les surnoms moi en anglais.
H. Well, that'd be you, Holly.
Oli.
So, who's WD?
No idea.
Because it's also the first letter in the name.
Woodsman. Yeah, I get it.
Donc WD c'est bûcheron.
If you're not playing, then you don't mind if I...
Bon, j'ai effacé à moitié là. Hein. Je sais pas, il y avait pas un truc pour effacer un effaceur quoi, finalement, je connais pas le terme. Machine à cigarette, putain, my dream. My dream. Bien sûr que je vais en acheter une.
You got any change for this thing?
No.
Ah, donc tu rentres et... Ouais, ouais, ça rend pas la monnaie. Putain, 1,50€ le paquet. Enfin, même pas, 1,50$. 24 hours in a day, 24 beer in a case. Coïncidence, maybe. Putain. Est-ce qu'il y a déjà des humains qui se sont enclenchés 24 bières dans la même journée, frère? Enfin, oui, non, mais en fait, en soirée, tu le fais. Mais la question, c'est... Est-ce qu'il y a des humains, genre toutes les heures, qui se sont déjà encaissés une bière, frère? Putain. Imagine, t'es sous Grimbergen, là. Gros, tu t'enchaînes 24 Grimbergen, frère. Ton ventre, t'es baleine max. T'es sous baleine grandissante.
Let me solve the mystery for you. They're pickled eggs.
Oh, I know what they are. I'm just trying to figure out why anyone would eat this.
Bon, ça, je connais pas les goûts des mecs, donc je peux pas trop enquêter sur ça.
A lot of stools in this place. But there's only one right next to you.
You gonna order something? Or you just here to bother my customers?
I never turn to... je sais pas quoi.
Give me a Midas Gold.
You want a lime?
Oh, bien sûr.
Sure.
I think they have some at the bar down the street.
Think that's funny?
Yep. Think it's fucking hilarious.
It was all right. Come on, guys. I don't want to be here. You don't want me here. The sooner you answer my questions, the sooner I'll be out of here.
C'est pas lui. 100% c'est pas lui, frère. Impossible, c'est la Whis.
Holly, you're
Ah,
out of
j'ai rien
paper
dit.
towels and
Putain, son crâne qui s'est fait scalper. Il a juste mis un sparadrap sur le crâne, il s'est mis un morceau de sopalin et ça marche.
Saved your beer for you. Holly wanted to clear it, but I said no. You'll be back. Now here you are.
you and me been going at it for hundreds of years. I'm through fighting.
Vu comment je t'ai mis.
Well, Woody, that makes two of us.
Vu ce que je t'ai mis là pour la dernière fois, je comprends. Hein. Je capte.
You're in luck. I decided to switch seats. I just want to talk. This doesn't have to go like this.
Maybe he don't want to talk to you.
Why don't we let him tell me that?
Okay, Gren.
It's funny. Just a minute ago, no one seemed to know who you were.
Yeah, well, everyone knows you. Big bad wolf. Well, I'm the bad guy and you're sheriff. Kind of fucking world is that, huh?
Come on, Woody. Why'd you do it? No bullshit.
Same reason people do a lot of awful things. For money. I'd walk past her place for weeks. She didn't look like it. She had money. I was sure of it. She wouldn't put up any kind of fight. I was gonna rob her. And the night I finally get up the nerve to do it, there you are, fucking things up for me. You were just in the wrong place at the wrong time. I wasn't there to save her.
So, you were planning on robbing her?
Yeah? Her and her grandma.
Grandma? Wait, what are you talking about?
Red Riding Hood. Her grandmother. I was there to rob them. But when I showed up, you were already there. Lying in the bed. I only saved her because I thought she might give me a reward. But she didn't give me shit. Except a bunch of people thinking I'm something I ain't. I played along as I could. Only thing I managed to get from it was a free drink every now and again. Not a good that did.
Did you kill Faith?
What? Faith? Who's
The
that?
girl you were beaten on this morning.
No. I was here. I swear.
Doesn't look good when a girl you were just smacking around shows up dead hours later.
She's dead? Bigby, listen, I'm a piece of shit, okay? I know that. I hit that girl, I did. I shouldn't have, but I didn't kill her. You believe me, right? They're gonna string me up, Bigby. Like you said, it looks fucking bad. It looks really
Il fait genre de pleurer là.
bad,
Et,
but I didn't do it.
les émotions
He
sont
was
venues très
here.
vite. Hein.
That's the fucking truth, Sheriff.
Ouais, s'il y a
You
des
see?
témoins, malheureusement.
Bigby, please. You can't. They'll throw me down the witching well. That's what they'll do. and I didn't
Les
do
émotions
it.
montent très vite
You know that.
pour quelqu'un qui a appris la nouvelle il y a 2 secondes.
Hey, stop! This isn't what I want.
Oh, shut the fuck up, Woody! Shit ain't just about you. It's about this fucking lapdog. They come sniffing around this part of town when the rich fucks in the woodlands need a shakedown. Ain't that right, Bigby?
It's not like that. There are problems with the way things go. I get it. That's got nothing to do with what's happening right now.
Putain, mes doigts ils ont l'odeur de popcorn, c'est fou ça.
Sister goes missing. No one gives two shits about her. Paperwork, waiting rooms, and that bitch Snow White looking right past me, then ushering me out the fucking door.
I wouldn't call her that. It's happened before, and it doesn't end well.
Big B va sortir.
Bitch of the bitch. Oh, good.
Je vais pas le frapper. No frap.
Should have walked out of here when you had the chance.
Come on, you're scaring the lady.
Don't worry about me.
Ouais, bah putain, tout le monde se change. Ah putain, j'aurais dû le frapper. Qu'est-ce que je veux faire? Il se passe trop de choses là. Watcha. Calme. Je venais juste demander des petits conseils moi sur... Regardez pas. Allez, dans le crâne. Bon, transforme-toi Big B là. C'est bon, on a assez rigolé là, mais là c'est de la légitime défense maintenant. Oh ouais, là c'est pas mal ça. Putain, je vais tuer tous ses potes, hein. Je vais tuer le bûcheron, le truc. Voilà. Ça commence à faire mal là. Ça commence à faire mal. J'aurais peut-être dû le fracasser. Il faut jamais être gentil. Le loup s'est transformé. Le loup s'est transformé. Le loup est dans la bergerie, je répète. Le loup est dans la fucking bergerie. Allez, fume-le. Putain. Là, c'est de la légitime défense, messieurs. Putain, je suis en train de lui mettre sa part, hein. Cochon. Ouais, bah là, c'est bon,
He's
là.
had enough.
Allez, c'est... Il en a eu assez, on est... Eh, on reste toujours... Toujours kawaiiné. Même si on nous frappe, on reste toujours kawaiiné.
Whiskey. Double.
Double Wesk. Double Weskai. Putain, on l'avait pas vu se transformer en loup-garou. Mais là, il est même pas au prime, parce que loup-garou... ouais, si, enfin, il est en loup-garou. Mais putain, sous loup intense, là, sous majestueux loup de 40 mètres qui crache du vent, là, il est incontrôlable. Putain, ça fait vite, hein, le whisky. Hein.
Don't even think about it.
Is this the type of treatment I can expect if I let you take me in?
No. If you come quietly, you'll be treated with respect. But if it turns out that you killed that girl, well, you know what that means.
All right, I got $100 for the first bloke that can tell me something about a girl named. Fuck.
Oh là 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 là. Attends, je réponds après à Ken. Qu'est-ce que je fais là? Je l'attrape déjà lui.
Fuck, man. That's not necessary.
On verra déjà la bûche après. Je réponds après à Ken. Hein.
He's the one you want, not me.
Your brother won't be saving you this time. Come on. You're under arrest.
I told you I didn't do it.
And you got nothing to worry about.
Bon, lui, il a la bûche, il a déjà parlé. Je pense que les infos vont venir de ce gros tas là. Excusez-moi, grossophobie. Je m'égare un peu. Salut, pourrais-je avoir plus d'oigon? D'oigon? D'oignon? D'oigon? D'oigbi? Sûrement le hot dog, merci. Il n'y a pas de... Je t'envoie ça directement. Je t'envoie ça. Après, moi, je fais que l'emballage, moi. Moi, je mets tout ce qui est dans le carton. Je suis préparateur de commande, en fait. Donc, je peux pas te... Ouais. Je peux pas te donner ça. Faut que je vois avec mes collègues du resto, ouais. Putain, un big hot dog. Putain, tu m'as donné faim, enfoiré. My dream, un hot dog, là. Ouais, je sais quoi cette scène en 2 FPS, là? Qu'est-ce qui s'est passé, là? Qu'est-ce qui s'est passé au Sylve? C'est la belle qui s'est fait... La belle. Non, c'est pas ce que je veux dire. C'est la belle qui s'est fait matraquer la tête. Ouais, il y a du sang, en tout cas. Là, c'est morbide, ce qui se passe. Oh, putain, l'entrée. Monsieur Bigby. Absolute cinéma. Si c'est blanche, je vais me transformer en grand loup. Ah. Ah. Ah ouais, là c'est pas... Ouais. Là c'est pas... Là c'est pas Jojo, là.
We had something very special.
Where's your brother?
Fuck you! Give me one good reason I should tell you anything. Where's the rest of her?
Serial killer.
Oh my.
A serial killer? Oh god, it's one of us.
Wait, the woodsman's still walking the streets.
Ah, le...
We've got to put a lid on this. If you can't manage it, I'll find someone who can.
I found out where she's been staying.
Oula.
I know she's here. You must have seen her. What are the two of you hiding?
Thanks. Not saying anything.
Doesn't matter. Maybe you just want to punish someone. We can arrange that.
What did you do?
Jette-le là.
At the end of the end.
Oh là là. Mais ils sont en train de me spoiler tout le jeu là.
Jesus Christ, Bigby. Is that you?
Ah, il est en loup-garou. Loup-garou Gear 2. Bon bah c'est bien, ils m'ont spoil tout l'épisode 2. On va y jouer, je connais déjà tout ce qui va se passer. C'est formidable en tout cas, merci. Merci à la team. Oh! Attends. You and did you give face your money? You and 15% of player held onto your money. Putain, je fais de partie des 15% des gens qui ne sont pas des cucks. C'est terrifiant. Il y a 15% qui ne sont pas des BDG et qui n'ont pas donné l'argent à Face. You and 59% of players lied and said you hadn't seen Booty. Ouais, là je fais partie de la majorité, ok. Toi et 30% des joueurs sont allés voir Prince Lawrence avant d'aider Toad. Ouais, je fais partie des 30% qui s'en foutent des problèmes actuels, ouais. You prevented Prince Lawrence's death. Who is your prime suspect? You and 13% of player points their finger at Bluebird. Putain, j'ai choisi le seul choix où il y a 13%, excusez-moi. Hein. Excusez-moi d'être matrixé par mon origine. Attends, est-ce que ça fait 100% là en tout? 35, 50, 67. Attends, il y a une couille quelque part là, on est à 71%. Le total là. On est à 71%, ils sont où les 29 autres pourcents? Ils sont partis où, frère? Ils sont partis où? Du coup, il y a 17% qui ont la bûche et 22%, mais c'est qui ça? Ah, le Mac. Mais on sait même pas qui. En fait, on dit que c'est une prostituée, Face, on sait même pas si c'est vraiment une prostituée. On n'avait aucune idée sur le sujet, on sait même pas qui c'est le Mac, on n'a jamais entendu parler. Bon, après, Barbe Bleue aussi, hein, mais bon, Barbe Bleue, moi, c'est juste parce que je l'aime pas. Woody, qui a été arrêté. Oula. Quand c'est arrivé, ce Wire. Wire, c'est quoi, déjà? Toi et 70%, on va dire, on va arrondir, des joueurs. On essaie d'arrêter, enfin, Tweedledee dit de se casser. Ok. Wesh, il y a une guerre? Bah, je m'en fous du générique, moi, là. M'en fous du post-crédit, moi, je veux épisode 2. On est où, là? Putain, ça me coupe le truc. Allez, on part pour l'épisode 2.
Mr. Toad?
Do something, Bigby, before he completely tears up the place.
Bon, passe. On s'en fout du...
Whoa, 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 hey, hey!
Passe le générique. Je le connais.
Something on your face.
Je connais...
Talking about you stupid
Mais c'est vrai que je suis en train de me dire...
You're not as
Ce gros porc de bûcheron, il s'est pris un crachat de sang. On le revoit 3 semaines après, il a toujours du sang sur le visage, frère. Il s'est pas lavé entre temps, ce gros dégueulasse.
Thank you for trusting me.
Ou alors c'est moi qui lui ai fracassé la
Have you
gueule.
seen my wife? Have
C'est
you
peut-être
seen
ça aussi.
Beauty?
Peut-être parce que je lui ai fracassé la gueule.
Come with me.
Don't interrupt me, Miss Snow.
You asked me a question.
Don't change the subject. You are to blame for this unpleasantness, Miss Snow. No, I'm D. He's dumb.
You're gonna tell me, right now.
Suivez bien les mecs là qui sont arrivés en cours de route là.
We're looking for the woodsman.
Well, he's not here.
Ollie, you're out of paper towels and they're
Voilà,
gonna
vous.
string me up, Bigby.
Non, il a pas de sang. Putain, on l'aurait dit, mais en fait, non, il signe juste du nez.
Really bad, but I didn't do it.
Ceux qui sont arrivés après la guerre, là, c'est le moment de rattraper tout, là, avec le. Les pré. Je sais pas. Putain, faut tellement que je me remate Severance. Enfin, je l'ai pas fini, mais. J'étais en train de penser, là, avec ces trucs, là, ces flashbacks, là. Faudrait que je me remate Severance, sa mère. Aïe, sa mère la chienne. Je peux même. Mr. Wolf.
You're making this more difficult than it has to be. If you just cooperate and answer the questions, you can go home. Maybe get some sleep.
C'est une commun ou c'est une fable?
I know it's been a long night for you. You look like you could use some rest.
I'll be better when I find who did this, which I can't do while sitting in here.
We all want the same thing here, Bigby. Look, I know what you must be going through. Really, I do. But I could use your cooperation.
Ah putain, bon c'est pas grave, ça marche aussi. Fume mon Bigby, fume.
That's very helpful. Thank you.
Non mais je vais passer pour un coupable, mais en même temps, j'ai pas eu le temps de répondre là. À quoi elle sert la télé s'il regarde à travers... À quoi elle sert la télé s'il regarde à travers la vitre? Ils sont cons ou quoi, ceux-là là. En plus, à quoi ça sert une télé quand t'as une vitre même?
Are you okay? You don't look so good. Detective Brannigan?
I'm Detective Brannigan.
Oula.
Yeah, I know. I just said that. Is there something?
Do you hear that?
Oula.
Please. Please.
Putain, c'est dans quel film où ça se passe comme As? Oula, ils sont en train...
I'm sorry. Just make it stop, please.
Putain, c'est filmé en plus, il peut même pas...
We have to go now.
What did you do to her?
She'll be fine. It's just a memory wipe spell. Very expensive, but it works. The whole station will forget the last 24 hours and everything they saw at the Woodlands. Well, hurry up.
Ah, le problème, c'est qu'ils vont tous se réveiller en se disant qu'est-ce qu'on branle ici, quoi. Bon, au moins, ils sauront pas c'est quoi les... Ils veulent pas éteindre la caméra, quand même, parce qu'il y a quand même... On prend la photo, mais la caméra allumée, hein, en grand angle, sur sa tête, quoi. C'est-à-dire que là, il y a un film sur leur gueule. Tout va bueno, quoi. Putain, j'ai tellement faim. Pas assez manger. C'est une... Ouais,
Thanks for bailing me out.
On est gentil, mais bon.
Certainly. We found Tweedledee chained up to a post. That was your doing, correct?
Yeah.
Well, I don't know why you detained him. Dee was at the Trip Trap when Snow was left at the Woodlands, so he couldn't possibly be involved in this mayhem.
Bah, il avait du sang.
Bluebeard's currently interrogating him, and he hasn't said anything useful. And Bigby, we have to tread carefully here.
He's working for somebody. Whoever it is wants him snooping around every crime scene I've looked at.
That doesn't necessarily mean they're involved in the murders.
Ah, il avait du sang quand il est rentré dans le bar, quand même. Il vient d'où, le sang? Le sang. Tu viens d'où, le sang? Will be you next? Will you be next?
What you're thinking, Bigby. It's been one full night and a slice of morning, and I already miss her too.
Off-World Trading Company. Eh bah, PJ, il se régale, ce mec.
You know, I never get more homesick than when one of us dies. And now, for it to be Snow, I've never been good with these sorts of things.
Putain, j'ai pas du tout.
I just can't believe this is really happening.
Dwelling on this shit isn't helping.
Well, I apologize if my attempt at handling this has disturbed you, Bigby. But I thought we had some common ground.
Putain, je devrais être gentil, moi. On va être gentil, on va être gentil. Il faut être gentil pour bien tromper.
A shitty couple of days. I know you're trying.
Même si je sais que c'est un enculé, lui. Il faut être...
I don't know why I'm asking you, but did she give any indication as to what she was thinking? When you saw her last, I mean. I don't know why, but I'd like to know that she was... I guess fine, I suppose.
just told me to be careful.
She was always fond of you, Bigby.
Putain, c'est lui qui manigance tout. Si je lui donne trop d'infos.
I don't know what else to say, Bigby. We have to put an end to this. It's been 2 murders in as many days. If we don't unearth our culprit, and soon, there will likely be another on our doorstep tonight.
I'll get it done.
Putain.
Please, Bigby, for Miss White.
I got it.
Watcha, bâtard. Ah, c'est un bâtard quand même. Qu'il allait bien se faire enculer. Lui, on l'aide pas, lui. Lui, on l'aide pas, lui. Juste un lâche.
That's not a very good answer, is it? Come on. Just tell me what I want to know. It will make things a lot less painful for you. In theory.
Oh, were you planning on using that? I just thought you really liked rubbing your little sword.
What the hell do you think you're doing?
Hello, Ichabod. Sheriff.
Et Kaba?
Beard. I was just chatting with our new friend.
You were supposed to wait for us to get back. I told you, if you want to be involved, you will do things my way. No violence.
Whatever you say, Ichabod.
Putain, mec.
Hello, Bigby.
Cam,
What answers, D?
Oh, good.
gâche tout.
I thought you wanted questions, and I was having so much trouble thinking of any good ones. Though I'd settled on, how's your head?
You see what I've been dealing with? What are you going to do about this, Bigby?
Please, try to be serious, D. Snow White is dead.
Look, I didn't kill anyone.
And I'm supposed to just believe you.
You were with me when it happened, dummy.
I still have questions for you, D.
Bah, on sait pas si ça s'est passé maintenant ou pas.
This is ridiculous.
Let him work. He's got more experience with these kinds of things.
Why were you at Toad's place?
Looking for a change of scenery. Thought I might move in. Had to take a look around first, of course. Make sure everything's up to code and whatnot. Looked alright, except for this big hole in the wall. Might get drafty.
Allez, je lui fous une patate quand même. Tiens.
Alright, D. Let's get to know each other.
On va le frapper. C'est bon, il me commence à me casser la tête avec sa grosse gueule de con là. Ah, ça doit pas.
Fuck, Bigby. Don't make me look at that. Just put that away. Please. I don't want to see that.
This is why we're here. Someone killed this woman, and we need to know who.
I get it, I do, but I can't tell you what I don't know.
Just tell me what you were doing at Toad's place.
Look, Bigby, we're not on opposite sides here. My brother and I are trying to get to the bottom of things, same as you.
Your brother. Where was he last night?
I can't say. He could have been anywhere.
Take your best guess.
He didn't do it, if that's what you're thinking.
Then where is he?
No, I'm not sending you after my brother. Look, I answered your question. Can I get my stuff back now?
Non.
What did you find on him?
Oh, nothing of consequence, really.
Et bah, sous Koiba, l'ancêtre.
He's being too nice to him.
It's a smart strategy. Be patient.
This could be the lunatic who killed Miss White.
You always carry this much cash?
C'est vrai
I've
qu'il y
got
a
a lot
beaucoup
of
de légumes.
laundry to do this week. What's it to you? I better get that back.
Comme ça. Tu ferais mieux de rapporter ça. Alors?
I'm declaring a tax on uncooperative troublemakers.
You taking out a loan? You might not like the interest on that.
You'll need to account for that. You can't just... There are procedures to be followed. We'll talk about it later.
So where's your brother?
Look, mate, I'd like to help. I would, but I can't tell you where he is. Last time I saw him, we split up and I went to find Faith. I don't know where he is now, but he didn't kill anybody.
You were looking for Faith?
Look, I went to her apartment. That's no secret, you saw me.
No, there's more to it. You said you were trying to find something.
All right, D. What did you want from Faith?
Sorry, I can't help you. I'm not saying any more about it. Come on, Big B.
Oh,
I'm saving that.
c'est ce que j'avais dit, je voulais faire. Putain, c'est ce que je voulais faire. Brûler dit. Souffle.
Here.
Yeah, all right.
Allez, on est méchant et gentil en
Wanna
même temps.
see a trick?
Look, Bigby, this isn't going to work. Don't you want to find out what happened to those girls? To Snow White?
Let me handle this.
C'est vrai. Allez, on est en mode méchant maintenant.
What did you want from Faith? Sweet girl like her.
Sweet? You think that girl was sweet? She was a fucking thief. Fucking sweet. Faith was plenty of things, but that ain't one of them. I mean, you know what she did for a living.
T'as l'air fâché.
You
Voilà,
still
tiens.
seem pretty mad about it.
Hell, I ain't bothered. Wasn't me she stole from. Nah, she took something from my boss.
Your boss?
So let's talk about your boss then.
You're gonna get me in trouble, Big B. I can't answer any more of your questions.
Est-ce que son patron ce serait pas le Mac?
Going in circles.
Mais pourquoi Blanche-Neige?
Always handy that way.
Oh, je vais me l'enquiller. Éclater sur Di, offrir un verre à Di. Oh là là là. Tiens ta mère la
What the fuck? Big B, you shit! Oh, you're done playing nice now. Is that it?
Last chance, Steve. Who are you working for?
Fuck you! You're a piece of shit, Big B. Beauty was wrong about you. You're just a sick...
Beauty? You're full of shit.
Oh, we're good friends. That's enough. I will not tolerate this savagery. You think someone was trying to kill Snow? Isn't it more likely someone was trying to get back at you by killing her?
You want to talk about Snow? You treated her like shit your whole career. Better take the blame for your incompetence. Now you can.
What's going on down here?
Qu'est-ce que... Ouais, ouais, choc barre. Du coup, je comprends plus rien. Je comprends plus rien. Là. Il y a tant de retournements. Il y a tant de retournements. Comment elle savait qu'on était là même? Tu es morte. Tu ne peux pas vivre. Arrête de mentir. Bon après Blanche Gardin. Blanche dans le comics, elle s'est fait péter le crâne par une balle. No dead. Hein. Les fables sont immortelles. C'est pire que les Highlanders parce que elle s'est fait couper la tête sur le papier, mais ça repousse. Donc ça va. Mais bon, je pense que c'était un... Comment on appelle ça? Pas un trompe-œil, mais justement un sortilège. Un sortilège de mécréant.
What the hell was going on down there, Big B? Abusing a prisoner like that. I thought you could control yourself.
I thought you were dead, Snow.
And that makes it okay?
C'est vrai, putain. Allez, c'est bon, on est en mode gentil maintenant. On arrête.
I hope it was worth your time.
You really scared us. If we'd just known you weren't actually dead...
I was working on this case. After a conversation in the taxi last night, I got a call from Toad. He said his son found a body. We thought it was Faith at the time. Getting her back here wasn't easy. But hopefully we'll find something on her to help us track down the killer. Or at least to figure out who she is.
I'm glad you took care of things.
Allez, good boy.
Thanks.
Good dog, allez c'est bon. On va être gentil, on va être méchant, allez c'est vrai que la vie n'est pas tout blanc ou tout noir, mais on va essayer d'être tout blanc quand même. Très raciste.
I'm glad you're...
T'es qui CG?
Me too. I just want to get to the bottom of this.
Ah c'est le crapaud. C'est le fils du crapaud.
What is it?
I feel responsible in a way. She looked just like me. And maybe that's why she was killed.
Snow, it's not your fault.
But she looked just like me. That can't be a coincidence. We just have to find out who did this. And why she was glamored to look like me. I mean, that's what it is, right? So, what's our next move? If we're going to work together on this, you need to actually talk to me. I mean, what do you expect me to do? Sit around the business office twiddling my thumbs, waiting for the big bad wolf to solve all my problems?
It's too dangerous out there.
Too dangerous? Bigby, I'm not going to be an errand girl for Crane anymore.
I just want you to be careful. I almost lost you once.
I'm not yours to lose.
Ah, ça fait
I'm
mal.
sorry.
Ça fait mal, hein.
I know it's dangerous, but I'm not helpless. I can take care of myself. I've been doing it for centuries. TJ is waiting inside. He was so freaked out last night, he wouldn't tell us much. Even now, he just stops talking altogether after a certain point. He's pretty shaken up, though, so try not to be too, you know.
Myself.
Right.
J'ai faim. Putain, j'ai faim. Please, God. Please. Bon, on a fini le chapitre 2. Est-ce qu'on s'arrête pas au chapitre 3, puis après on fait une pause et après... je vais taper un croc quelque part parce que là, je commence à devenir insupportable cette idée de...
Buffkin, do you have a second?
Of course, Miss Snow.
Ah, j'ai plus rien du tout. Ah, c'est peut-être parce que... Ah, c'est le crapaud. C'est peut-être parce que j'ai été arrêté par le commissariat. Mais la question, c'est que du coup, est-ce que les items devaient vraiment servir à quelque chose? Ou alors, c'était juste des items à collecter, quoi. Bon, ça, je l'ai déjà vu, logiquement, donc on va le regarder, mais... On l'a déjà vu.
I meant what I said, Snow. Seems like not much has changed between me and Woody.
Bon, bah ça, c'est bon. Ça, on l'a déjà vu. C'est quoi, ça? Bouteille de parfum.
Snow's perfume.
Lealoa.
And acids. Maybe this has been harder on him than I thought.
Il a mal au bide, hein. Le bide serré, hein. Le vieux Icabad. Putain, il est dur à dire son prénom. On va parler avant toute chose.
That's enough. Mira, vanish! Cancel!
What the hell are you doing?
Don't even get started with me, Sheriff.
What's going on?
I saw what you did down there. Is that how you treat your prisoners? I'd be lying if I said I didn't want to give Tweedledee a good smack after what he put me through. But what you did to him was way over the bloody line. You scared the shit out of me, little boy. He saw everything.
Okay, Mr. Toad.
Now, I want an explanation.
And what did you expect to see?
I thought maybe I'd catch you on the shitter. But I saw something worse, didn't I?
That's enough. Mr. Toad, I deeply regret the distress this has caused you and your son. But right now, we need to carry on with the investigation. I will be happy to speak with you about your concerns later, but you must understand how urgent this is. We need to talk to TJ.
Si, G.
This ain't over, Big B.
Mais c'est quoi? C'est mon patron? Je peux pas frapper les gens maintenant.
TJ.
Interdit.
It's all right.
TJ.
Are you ready to talk to Mr. Wolf?
Donkey Kong. TJ Donkey Kong.
Watch yourself, Big B. You do anything to hurt me, boy.
Je vais pas fracasser un gosse non plus, j'ai mes limites.
It's okay.
This won't take long.
Go ahead, TJ.
I go swimming at night sometimes, in the river. I wasn't doing anything bad. I
Blackwater.
promise.
Oh non.
Of course you weren't.
We know you're a good kid, TJ. You're okay.
You're not in trouble. Just tell me what happened.
I was there, under the big blocks, and I heard noisy feet. And when I hear that, I'm supposed to go underwater and stay real still and quiet.
That's right, son.
Then I saw the lady.
It's okay, son.
Take your time.
The lady fell in. But she didn't have her head on. I thought she was gonna pull me down too. Cause she had rocks on her feet and she kept falling down in the dark parts.
Blackwater, dans la zone noire.
Cinder blocks tied to her ankles.
Des parpaings.
Is there more, TJ?
Is it true?
Putain, accroché sous
Do you
parpaing.
know when people are lying? I heard you could do that. That's why you're the sheriff.
Yeah, part of my job is being able to tell when people are lying. I'm really good at it.
Bon, pour l'instant...
Is there something else you want to say?
Please, don't be mad.
What is it, TJ?
I didn't stay under the water.
What?
I know I'm supposed to, but I was scared, and I went to the top again. I couldn't help it.
I gave you very specific rules. You have to stay quiet and out of sight or bad things can happen. I told you. It's dangerous out there. If someone saw you...
Leave him alone, Toad.
He's my son. I've set boundaries for a reason.
This is a special circumstance. Leave him alone.
So you didn't stay underwater?
I don't know if anyone saw me, but someone said, "Stop laughing." And then I was scared, and I went under for as long as I could.
Je comprends rien là.
Wait, you heard someone?
Yes.
Why didn't you tell us before?
I didn't want to be in trouble.
Did you hear anyone laughing?
No.
Did you see who it was?
No.
Ok.
Sheriff.
Did you hear anything else?
I don't know. I don't know.
Bon.
I'm sorry. After I came up again, there was no one there, and I ran home, that's all. I promise. I want to go home.
Okay, you can go.
Thank you, TJ.
Okay, son. Let's get you home.
You did a good job, kid.
Come on then.
Allez, on est gentil. Good guy. Good guy. Not Bigby, the méchante.
That went about
Not
as
the
well as I
Yugli.
expected. You want to go look at the body now?
Bon, j'ai pas tout compris à ce qu'il m'a dit. Si je dis, je pense à la traduction.
When you're ready.
Bah, je voulais... Ouais, bah, bah en fait, vas-y. Eh, pas besoin d'indice, frère. Ah, si, quand même. On va aller voir le miroir magique maintenant qu'on y est. Autant que ça serve à quelque chose. Est-ce que je le traque? Putain, le stalker.
Hey, mirror.
Je veux...
Hello, Bigby. Nice to see you.
Regarde ce que fait le maître crapaud.
What were you showing Mr. Toad and his son?
Cinderella selling shoes, Rapunzel, Rose, and of course there's you. And I can't help note that you did not rhyme. Do try to stick to the rules next time.
Yeah, I'll do that.
Ah, faut faire des rimes pour lui parler, putain. C'est vrai qu'en plus c'est ça dans l'histoire. Montre-moi le bûcheron. Montre-moi le
The
bûcheron.
woodsman and I were fighting. Now I want to know where he's hiding.
Ouais, c'est pas le bûcheron.
Well, that's helpful.
C'est pas le bûcheron, lui. C'est Dom là qui est important. Après, putain, pourquoi j'ai capturé Dom, l'autre D là? Parce que D il veut pas parler. Bûcheron il aurait parlé, il voulait pas de violence.
That piece of scum.
Putain, il se fait bien chier le frère. Bon bah je peux plus lui parler. Bon. Putain, si j'avais su que c'était, il y avait que 4 choix et que je pouvais pas revenir dessus, j'aurais médité avant. FF, toujours pas. Toujours pas de génie. On tente, hein. On tente. Bah. Princess. Where are you, princess? Carte de tarot. Eh, la classique. On se fait des petites cartes de tarot avant.
Well, that's appropriate.
Oh, c'est triste. C'est triste, bro.
The moon. Usually this is about deception or confusion. But for me, well, who knows?
2 chiens et une écrevisse. 2 chiens qui se battent.
I hope you can find what you're looking for.
Ça ne m'aide pas.
Pity these can't solve murders.
Je suis pas assez smart pour ça. Allez, nous, il nous faut de l'action. Nous, on réfléchit pas. Hein. C'est bon. On abandonne les réflexions. On va sur le terrain. Buffy et laisse là.
So, check out anyone who fits that profile. You might start with Bluebeard.
Right away, Miss Snow.
Are you ready to examine the body now?
Ouais.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, I almost forgot.
Come on.
Come on, bro. Oh là. Quand même. Chambre du puits magique. C'est quoi? C'est que des vortails. Des vortails. Des vortex. Des vortails. Mélange entre portail et vortex. Putain, mais elle ressemble littéralement à Blanche là, même l'outfit, c'est le même. Et si Blanche n'était pas blanche?
I didn't realize. I've never seen her face before now.
You gonna be okay? don't have to stay.
I want to stay. I'll be fine. It's just a little strange. The glamour is so effective, it's invasive. But just do what you need to do.
En fait, le truc, c'est que si le trompe-œil, la meuf, elle se fait tuer, il n'y a plus de trompe-œil. La meuf ou le mec se fait tuer, il n'y a plus de trompe-œil sur le papier, là. Ok. Bon, on va regarder ça.
Rope marks.
She was tied up?
They tied cinder blocks to her ankles, so she would sink.
Oh.
Ok.
Track marks.
She used Mundy drugs?
Looks that way. Pretty heavily, too. I hear they only go for the legs if they've used up the veins in their arms, or if they're trying to hide the marks. Anyway, it means it's not a perfect match to your leg, unless...
Don't be ridiculous.
Her fist is clenched.
So she fought back?
No marks on the knuckles.
Oh.
Maybe she was grabbing something?
Maybe.
Oula. Et bah. Elle cachait un truc.
What are you doing?
On va arracher le corps, hein. Ah putain, c'est A. Ah.
Jesus, Bigby. What is it? Flowers.
Yeah.
Des pétales de lilas.
Check her mouth. There might be a ribbon in there, like before. Anything?
Nothing.
Can you close her mouth? Thanks.
Looks just like Faith's did.
But there was nothing in her mouth this time. Do you think it was done by the same person?
Hard to tell. Did Dr. Swinehart ever get back to you about Faith?
No. He said he wanted to run more tests.
Uh-huh.
She got your perfume right.
How would she know? How do you know what perfume I wear?
You can't fool this nose. Also, I saw the bottle on your desk.
Il a sorti son cou là.
Do you see that?
Could be a bruise.
Ok.
That's weird. I don't wear a brooch like that.
Maybe it really belonged to her. Not part of the glamour.
Looks like something from the homelands. Buffkin, do you recognize these symbols?
No, nothing I've seen before.
Wait. If the glamour is supposed to make her look like me, shouldn't it be concealing things like track marks? That brooch, too. Why would it change everything else? I've never seen one this sloppy.
It might just be failing.
Glamours don't just fail. The witches upstairs know what they're doing, that's why they cost so much. Unless someone is making glamours illegally?
It's not technically illegal, miss. It's not encouraged for sure, but there aren't any laws specifically forbidding it.
So there's some sort of black market for glamours?
One would assume so. I imagine anyone with access to the proper books and training could theoretically produce a glamour.
Another thing to worry about. Black market or not, it's a pretty good
Il y a trop de trucs là qui s'ouvrent là.
Look at that. The buttons aren't exact either. There's an extra one here.
You're right. These buttons are wrong. I wonder...
What?
Snow, do you mind if I, open her coat?
Bigby, just let me do it.
Bah, il y a juste son chemisier logiquement. Ah.
Well, I certainly hope you're behaving yourself up here, now that you're done smashing bottles on people. What have you found out?
I haven't finished yet.
Well, get on with it then. We can't waste too much time here. The killer might be preparing another attack as we speak.
We should keep going.
Eh bah. Tu portais ça, toi. Tu portes ça. Snow White.
Are you wearing silk lingerie, Snow?
Why do you want to know?
I'm just trying to see if the clothes are exact.
They're not.
Ah. Use this.
What is that?
She had the perfume with her. Looks like someone picked it out for her.
So, someone gave her instructions.
Personne donne un flacon de parfum et écrit use this. Tu donnes juste le flacon de tu donnes juste le truc et tu dis bah tu utilises ça maintenant. Personne écrit à prendre 2 fois par jour sur le flacon. Personne fait ça. C'est le pire truc à faire.
I've seen things like this before. It's definitely magic.
Putain, c'est un jungle speed.
The witches don't usually craft objects these days.
I don't think it's wise to fool around with that. It's some kind of black market magic. Who knows what it could do? We should have it looked at. Just to make sure it isn't dangerous. Don't you think?
You may be right. One way to find out.
What?
There's something in here.
How do we open it?
Might want to stand back if you're worried, Crane. I'm gonna try to open it. Something to do with these rings here.
Ok, faut que je fasse un... Ok, je vois. Ok, ça c'est bon. Hop là, le cerf.
A deer. What does that mean? Oh.
Tes cheveux, l'ADN. Ils ont pris l'ADN, ils ont copié, c'est un clone.
Is that...
It's your hair.
Le gros sniffer. Ça sniffe, hein. C'est-à-dire que c'est quelqu'un dans l'entourage qui a fait ça.
Someone must have taken this from my apartment. I noticed it was missing, but I didn't think. This was the last picture I had of Rose and me. My sister and I don't talk much anymore. Who did this, Bigby?
Bah, c'est horrible, ils ont pris la photo, la seule photo. C'est Monsieur Crâne. Ah non.
She's a troll?
Ah bah voilà.
Holy shit.
Well, that helps explain the glamour. Kind of. Who is she? That wasn't there before.
Oh, la
Who
paire
do you
de
think she
jambon.
is? I don't know many trolls, I'm afraid.
Should have left them all back in the homelands.
You don't mean that, do you?
Maybe Holly knows.
The owner of the Trip Trap? No, she looks a little... Oh no.
What is it?
It's not Holly, it's her sister
Ah bah
Lily.
voilà. Ça ressemble un
She
peu.
was reported missing, but I guess it just slipped through the cracks.
We have to go tell
Ah
Holly.
mais putain.
Who knows, she might know something about this. Who Lily was seeing.
Well, certainly another troll.
We should go.
You can't go out there.
Why not?
It's too dangerous. Someone tried to kill you. Bigby, you can't let her go out there with you. You'd be putting her...
Pause. Pause. Attends mais... Si je me trompe pas, il est pas con là, Ichabod là. Enfin bref, le mec là. Parce que en fait, du coup, si elle allait voir un autre troll, ça veut dire qu'elle allait voir... comment il s'appelle? Comment il s'appelle? Mbappé? Aller voir... le gardien, je crois que le gardien des Sylves. C'est pas Jack le fidèle là, John fidèle John là, mais l'autre là. Et là, ça paraît logique que ça soit lui qui soit dans la magouille. Le gars au bureau là, qui branle rien là, qui branle rien toute la journée. C'est peut-être lui.
Bigby is not in charge of me.
He's in charge of this investigation.
That's not the same thing.
If Snow wants to come with me, I'm not gonna stop her.
But
We should leave now. You ready?
Yeah.
Bon, Blanche est de mon côté, donc on va pas la faire partir. Attends, nom de Dieu. Oh, Jack.
This whole thing is complete bullshit, and always has been. I mean, what's his job, really?
To keep shit from reaching the woodlands. Jack, I don't know where they are.
You're a bar. You're supposed to have darts around.
And I normally do, but who knows where the fuck they went to after...
Oh, le cowboy. Oh, le cowboy.
Come on, Holly. I need entertainment. This'll do.
Salut, Jack. Drink, eat, fight. Bon, bah voilà. Parfait.
Okay, I know. Just relax. Not here to start anything.
Okay.
Miss White, I heard you had kind of a strange morning.
It's been kind of a strange morning for everyone, I think.
Every time I see this guy, he seems to lose weight. It's amazing. It really is. He loses weight and yet somehow keeps all the muscle.
Jack.
Wolfie, my dear, how are you?
Tu nous fais chier, Jack.
Because, you know, we were just talking about you. All of us. At the bar, here.
I just need to talk to Holly. Privately.
All right.
C'est à piquer, Jack.
I'm dying to hear about the body that came out of the East River this morning. It was a fable, right? Oh, everyone knows.
Tweedledee was just here.
He said it looked like Snow White.
Sure it wasn't Tweedledum?
Well, no, but he seemed pretty sure.
Crane.
Sorry.
Tweedledee said you arrested him for no earthly reason. Kept him locked in the cellar all fucking night. He said you tortured him. Which, I don't know, that seems like a breach of your legislative duties. Bigby, come on. You can't be so dumb as
Jack, find the off button, now!
What is it with you two? You and Gran are all, let's get a posse together when there's no one around, but as soon as the big bad wolf walks in, your tails go between your legs. Cat got your nerve? What happened?
What happened? I'm tired is what happened.
Tired of what?
Of trouble, Jack. I'm sick and tired of trouble. I don't want any more.
Both of you, listen.
Bigby, look. 2 fables are dead. And shit, Gren's sister...
Holly's sister.
Holly's sister has been missing for what? A few days now? And we haven't heard word one about it from anyone. Hey, easy! Ah! Fuck! What'd I do? Ah!
Go fuck on up a beanstalk, Jackie boy.
Gren, you gotta learn some new lines. Let me tell you.
Ah bah voilà.
All right then. Actually, have there been any updates?
I don't know how to say this to you, Holly. The woman we found in the river.
Who was it?
You know who it was.
God fucking damn it! Of course, the dear princess, Snow fucking White, is all safe and sound. Where were you when we reported this weeks ago, huh? Where are you when we ever fucking need you? If you'd give 1 ounce of a shit about her, about any of us, she might have been saved. She might have been cared for. She might have been...
All right, clear out. Give her some room.
I ain't leaving her with you. No way.
Ouais, Blanche, fais ton travail là. Putain, 1h20 la vote, je voulais couper avant, mais je croyais pas qu'il allait être aussi long le chapitre là.
Get the fuck out of my bar.
I just
It
want to.
should have been you. It should have been you, and it wasn't.
Putain, mais j'ai déjà fini? Ah non. Bah, allez, on sort. On sort.
We recovered this from her personal effects. I thought you might like to have it.
I didn't know she still had this. The copper was from a dwarf mine.
That was decent of you.
Gren.
On est passé de bien vu à c'était noble.
Are you sure?
I don't know that much about her life. Honestly, we didn't talk often.
J'aime bien la musique.
She was lost here in the city. She just got swept away by it.
Do you have any idea why she'd be glamored as Snow White?
What? Oh, God. I'm sorry. That was probably how. She was hooking to pay down debt.
Ah.
It ate me up to see her that way. Eventually, the only people she owed were at her work. You know, that shithole club, the Puddin' and Pie.
Bon, bah là, ça va être le Mac là.
The owner, Georgie, with all his fucking fees. It's a crock of shit. That's how they kept her under their thumb, really.
Giorgio. Giorgio? J'ai pas lu.
Holly, it's okay.
Georgie. Not the first time I've heard that name. What do you know about him?
C'est le Mac.
We can just go talk to him.
Donc là, ça confirme vraiment nos
We've got a
soupçons.
lead. Maybe we can take it from here.
Really?
Thanks for everything, Holly. Is there anything we can do to...
No, I'm better off dealing with things alone. I don't need sympathy and I don't need charity.
It's not charity. It's looking out for our own.
Is she? Where is she?
She's at the business office. She's taken care of.
Bon,
I'm gonna have to go down there and get her.
bon, Faith du coup était vraiment une prostituée.
The funeral arrangements.
No, it's a kind of, it's a formality with trolls. We burn our dead by sunrise, or I don't know.
Of course.
Okay, good.
Let's go down to the business office and start making the necessary preparations, all right?
Non, on est gentil quand même. Hey, on n'est plus inspecteur, on est juste good guy. No.
That club?
I'll go down there now. See what I can find out from the owner.
You were good with her. I'm impressed. Really, thanks. It just made everything easier.
Donc Faith c'était une prostituée. Putain, wesh. C'est quoi ce... Faith c'était une prostituée. Et Georgie. Et la sœur de Lily, du coup, était aussi une prostituée. Donc ça commence à devenir bizarre là. Mais je pense qu'il y a le patron qui est Georgie. Il y a encore un autre mec au-dessus. Mais pourquoi il les tue? Ça, c'est la question par contre. Et pourquoi surtout ils mettent leur tête devant le sylve d'or. Bon, bref. Fin de l'épisode, j'espère que ça va pas... Bah non, ça va pas couper tout. De toute façon, je vais reprendre l'épisode d'après. Là, je mets juste en pause. Merci YouTube d'avoir regardé. On se retrouve pour les prochains épisodes. Encore plus d'enquêtes. Encore plus de mœurs. Et de beaucoup de choses qui se passent dans ce monde qui est The Wolf Among Us, quoi, finalement. Finalement. Voilà, merci les gars. Bonne journée, bonne soirée. Venez voir mes lives à l'occasion, si ça vous convient, quoi. Voilà quoi. Merci mec, merci mec, meuf, merci, au revoir. Ciao, ciao.